Good morning, friends. On the occasion of International Nurses Day 2021, I extend my appreciation and absolute gratitude to each one of you for doing what you have been doing, always in the nursing profession, which is the most unique and noblest of the noble professions. I also extend my appreciation for you doing a special work with dedication, relentless hard work, sincerity, compassion, care and empathy, especially during the COVID pandemic. This year, Nurses Day is a unique day because we do not have the gatherings, events or celebrations, but this year we take the opportunity to salute each one of you who is in true sense a hero during this medical war of the COVID pandemic. I thank you and your families for letting you continue with this profession to the mankind. Nurses are unique people in every aspect. They help in healing the body, the mind, the soul of not just our patients but their families as well. I salute each one of you. Thank you for doing everything what you do.
Hello everyone. I am Dr. Kamlesh Patel, Consultant Microbiologist, Ahmedabad. First of all, Happy Nursing Day. Thank you very much for working tirelessly in this pandemic. Nurse is not a word, but this word describes you guys as the strongest persons to handle critical conditions like this pandemic, as well as you guys are that much soft to understand the emotions of each and every person or patient. You guys are really working as a backbone of the healthcare industry, and this industry cannot move a step ahead without your support. So thank you everyone for working for us, all of us, and Happy Nursing Day. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, a very happy and healthy International Nurses Day. I just want to say thanks on behalf of all medical fraternity to all of you. What you are doing right now is not replaceable by anyone. Be safe, be healthy, be positive. You are the soldiers for our country against this corona, and with your support we will definitely win this war. A big salute to all of you.
My dear nurses, the way you both nurture the empathy throughout the year, your kindness, it's beyond all praises. Happy Nurses Day to all my dear nurses. I am Papya Chatterjee from HCC Cancer Center, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. Wish you a very, very happy Nurses Day.
Namaste, I am Trupti Patel, working as a nursing student at Apollo Ahmedabad. I wish to Happy Nurses Day to all my nurses. As we all know that this is the day when Florence Nightingale was born, and she was a pioneer of the modern nursing. I would like to express my gratitude to all my nurses who are dedicatedly and continuously working in these pandemic situations, and they are working very hardly and keeping themselves on toes without thinking about their kids, their family members and their social responsibilities. They are real warriors and continuously fighting with this battle of COVID-19. Today I want to share you one thing, that as a nurse we have the opportunity to heal the heart, soul and body and mind of patients, patient relatives and ourselves. Might be they forget our name, but they will never forget our efforts, our support and care, which whatever we have given at the time of admissions. I pray for all nurses and their family members for their better health and well-being. Lastly, Namaste to all and Happy Nurses Day once again, and take care.
Dear nurses, salute to your hard work and wishing you a very happy Nurses Day. People can sleep comfortably because they know that someone is there to take care of their loved one. You are doing wonderful job.
Namaste everyone, this is Bhaskar here, as you all know me. Just wanted to wish everyone a very happy Nurses Day. Thanks for all the support during this NDO times, and it's pretty much we are not in touch. We could not get along and celebrate this. It's been like last 1.5 years quite core, and we all are struggling a lot. But whatever said and done, nurses are there forefront fighting still, of keeping everything aside, their family and everything. So I really thank all the nurses across. A very happy Nurses Day, and thank you for all your support. Take care, stay safe.
Good morning everyone, myself Sarmista, Executive Superintendent in KB Hospital. Today is 12 May, Nurses Day. On behalf of all my team members and KB Hospital, I heartily wish to all my nurses Happy Nurses Day. In this corona situation, the way you people have worked, no one can replace your job. Your dedication is marvelous. I really appreciate everyone's efforts, the way you are working, the way you are showing your dedication. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy Nurses Day to all. My dear nurses, I really would like to say thanks for my bottom of heart. You all are working very nicely for the patient care in this corona. हम सभी नर्सेस को दिल से शुभकामनाएं देते हैं कि सब हेल्दी रहे, सेफ रहे, और हमारा सेलिब्रेशन इस साल नर्सेस डे का वही रहेगा जो हम पेशेंट साइड काम करते हैं। हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि ये महामारी को जल्दी से जल्दी हटाए और हम सबका डेली का सेलिब्रेशन हो एंड दुनिया भर को नर्सेस पे प्राउड हो। मेरी आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप सभी ऐसा काम करिए कि दुनिया भर में हमेशा नर्सेस प्रोफेशन का नाम ऊंचा रहे। थैंक यू सो मच।
Good morning all. Happy Nurses Day. Myself Sonal Prajapati as a nursing superintendent. I wish you all a happy Nurses Day during this COVID-19 pandemic. All nurses doing hard work and mankind and human beings. I salute and appreciate all my nurses. In these occasions of Florence Nightingale birthday, Happy Nurses Day all of you.
Namaste everyone. On the occasion of this International Nurses Day, I would like to wish all the nurses and their family a very happy and healthy life ahead. We are doing a wonderful job for the nation and society by serving them. Let's get together and serve the society with full enthusiasm and spirit. This is our moral responsibility and we are performing it very well. So I would like to thank all the nurses for doing a wonderful job. So be safe and let's together defeat this corona. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mona Darji. I have been working with the GCRI. My heartfelt Nurses Day greetings to all nurses over here. Nurses are unsung heroes. As world is battling with the COVID-19 pandemic, doctors, nurses and other frontline workers have been working round the clock to fight against the invisible enemy. Amid this, nurses have proved to be the lifeline of not only India against COVID-19 but across the hospital, from big hospital to smallest government hospital. Nurses are the nervous system that fuel the organizations of saving life. They have to their family, friends, kids, and most importantly they have their own life. They have good days, they have bad days, might they have been lost someone close to them. But putting everything aside, we have seen them work to persistently and hold entire healthcare organization and system are since beginning of this pandemic. I would rather say nurses are angels on the earth and they are the unsung heroes. On behalf of every citizen and patient, I would want to express my gratitude towards the nurses. Thank you.
Thank you all leaders for appreciating on the occasion of International Nurses Day 2021. Once again, a very happy Nurses Day to all my friends. Thank you.
Happy Nurses
A very happy and healthy International Nurses Day.
Wish you a very, very happy Nurses Day.
Happy Nurses Day.
Happy Nurses Day.
Happy Nurses.
Wish you a very happy Nurses Day to all.
Happy Nurses Day.
Happy Nurses Day.